Alright, this is an Xbox original controller, and I need to replace the cord on it. So these are the pins here. This is my desoldering machine. Pretty much as soon as I see that solder melt, I just suck it up with this thing. It has a little vacuum in it. Pretty genius. And you can fix these without this machine, but this is significantly easier than using solder wick. Just got it loose. Perfect. My new cord hooked on here. Now all I gotta do is just add a little bit of solder. Super simple. I've got my solder station here and just a little bit of solder. Don't want to breathe in that smoke. Looks great.